is so strong, it'll always be that way. Hot summer days, out with my grandpa, cutting down the golden fields of grain. My grandpa, he used to tell me, this will all be yours someday. My home is in North Dakota, where the memories never fade away. My love for North Dakota is so strong, it'll always be that way. Lakes of Kakawea, fishing walleye, watching that sun slowly fade away. Sing them songs round that old campfire. Stars and dreams lead me on my way. My home is in North Dakota, where the memories never fade away. My love for North Dakota is so strong, it'll always be that way. See the Badlands, endless beauty, the little Missouri flowing on down the way. There's some old magic that runs in that river. I thank God for sharing his love with me. Never be afraid. Always change. You know you are free. Be who you wanna be. Yeah. My home in North Dakota, where the memories never fade away. And my love for North Dakota is so strong, it'll always be that way. My love for North Dakota is so strong, it'll always be that way.
Well, I'm a rough riding, sidewinding cowboy, born to tempt my fate. I was raised in the heart of the big bold country, and that's where I'm gonna stay. Well, the Badlands are my stomping grounds, the little Missouri's my spread. There'll never be another place I'll ever rest my head, 'cause I come from North Dakota, where the sun shines brighter and the country's wider than the sky. I come from North Dakota, bigger, better country you can't find. Well, the gals hereabouts are pretty, fresh as an early spring. And when you walk in the morning with a little lady, you can hear the morning sing. You know the folks from North Dakota surely are the best. You can feel in your heart that this proud land truly must be blessed. And I come from North Dakota, where the sun shines brighter and the country's wider than the sky. I come from North Dakota, and bigger, better country you can't find. Now there ain't much that I ain't done, ain't much that I ain't seen, but there's nothing on earth like a big country, and that's where I wanna be. When the good Lord calls me, saying, cowboy, it's your time, I'll say, Lord, let me rest here in North Dakota. I'm having such a good time, 'cause I come from North Dakota, where the sun shines brighter and the country's wider than the sky. I come from North Dakota, and bigger, better country you can't find. Well, I come from North Dakota, where the sun shines brighter and the country is wider than the sky. I come from North Dakota, and bigger, better country.
Donnie's got a truck and he's always here on time. Big buttes and gravel roads, he keeps it between two lines. $30 an hour and the pay is good, but no time's better spent than the way your daddy should. Still he hangs around Boomtown. Shelly don't stop moving till the sun goes down. What she once was, she's not. What she's lost's now found. Brings them breakfast in the morning and ice cold beer at night. Listens to them talk, breaks up their fights. She stands her ground. Boomtown, oh, people line like houses up and down the street. Bottom line below us, about 10,000 feet. 22 degrees, you find a better place to go. You'd be here too, you know you'd hang around. Heard they just got married down in Arkansas. Lost a child and a job before he made the call. Heard the weather's rough and the houses few. Got something for me, sir. What's a man to do but try his round? Boomtown, oh, people lying like houses up and down the street. Bottom line below us, about 10,000 feet. 22 below, you find a better place to go. You'd be here too, you know you'd hang around. Boomtown. stopped by the farmhouse the other day. Jimmy's moved back home. He's helping Dad cut hay. Pumps in the morning, but he gets home by 5. We almost lost him there. Now he's more alive. God bless the sound. Boomtown.
That North Dakota cowboy I still dream of now and then. When I think back on my younger years and he was all I knew of men. He'd never put a hand on me, though I know he loved me so. But we'd sing all night till the sun rolled out like a blanket on the snow. Handsome young adore rode off into the prairie sky in his rusty yellow Ford. You know he didn't ride a wrangle, but he had a cowboy's soul. I was not the only one by far whose tender heart he stole. Gallant as a soldier from some ancient